have been getting so many questions recently about my hair, specifically in this video, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve that look. First things first, I style my curtain bangs. I do not curl my curtain bangs. I just round brush them with a blow dryer, and then I put them in a Velcro roller while I curl the rest of my hair. So let's do that. My secret weapon is the Wavy Talk automatic curling iron, so let's get started. I'm just gonna grab my first section of hair, clip it at the bottom, and then I use the two buttons and just roll it up. And I just go ahead and curl both sides away from my face. You really don't have to leave it on long at all, and it comes out with a curl that looks like this. I think a tool like this is especially good for beginners if you don't have a lot of experience using a curling iron, because it just makes it so quick and simple and user-friendly. Now I'm just gonna take out my roller. Look at those bangs. And I will brush through everything with a wide-toothed comb. This is the secret. You have to use a wide-toothed comb, don't use a brush. Look at those. Ah! Are you kidding me? Now that I've positioned my bangs the way I want them, I just add a little extra hairspray. I usually will spray the curls a little bit too, and that's the finished look.